coffee shop. Hey guys, so nagdali-dali na may because we have a reservation for the Capybara Cafe, and then DJ still went somewhere to get her money change. So here I am, ironing her clothes. Hey guys, so diba I told you nagpa-money change si DJ? And then it's already 11. I don't think we can make it to Capybara, but I'm on my way there just to try if na pa grace period. But yeah, I told DJ not to go here na lang because after the Capybara na lang, we will go back here para we can go straight to Wulai right after. So yeah, I think I'll go meet her there at Tucheng at the Capybara Cafe. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye! Hopefully I can catch up. Here. Thank you. Hi. And we're done. Next stop, we're going home first to get changed, and we're going to Wulai. I thought I couldn't make it kay ang reservation 11, pero pwede day siya like while waiting for your kauban, for your turn. Like, wingon ra ka if okay na, diba? Yeah, so I really like that cafe. Guys, nakasala na sa si DJ. Pink furniture. Oh no! Oh my god, sorry. I'll twist it again. Onsen, no?
Yeah, the onsen one.
Happy kasi guys. Pila man ka step. Oh my gosh, naapa. Unsa naman ni this? do the cup like this.
Bananas and gold.
Look at this view. Zoo. Our last full day here in Taiwan. Oh my gosh, dali ra oy.
Paspaso na.
Dali ra na basta you're enjoying, 'di ba? Oh, I can't wait to go back. I hope visa free pa until July. I mean, they will extend it pa
Until the next 50 years.
It's really nice.
Guys, there are some places na wapanahon na atuan. Taipei.
It's like Starbucks matcha. No. Hey guys, so it's already our last day here in Taiwan. We're currently here at Shangdao Temple Station just to get our matcha fix. We're here to try out Fuji Tree Cafe and good lang. It's okay lang. It's just like Starbucks matcha. I don't know. I think we're still gonna try Simple Kafa because na naman jud me here and Simple Kafa is just right beside or I think two stores. Yeah, 2 stores. So I think we're going there and yeah, we're making the most out of this trip. So we're doing it. 5 hours, let's go. Next stop, Simple Kafa. Let's try. I'm so full but I really want to try Simple Kafa. So bahala na. It's our last day here. So laban. I'm trying to finish this so fast. Mura na kog mabungog sa sigig inom og matcha, guys. When you're with DJ, you're really gonna have your matcha fix every day. Okay, so I ordered the Abao Blend Dark Roasted Blend. Yours is just brown sugar milk because DJ doesn't drink coffee. And then she also ordered matcha roll. Ooh, interesting.
Brown sugar. Yes, brown sugar. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ay, Maha, Salvador ka na. Simple Kafa, Simple Kafa. Day 126.
That's
Oh wow, that's so strong. Good luck to me later.
not too sweet.
Really? Can I try?
Not too sweet.
Dari ko kay para di maguba.
Any side, okay or not?
Maragi yung kanon mo di.
Kaya murag lamig yung kayo siya.
Pero it's chiffon, man good.
It's not too sweet, pao. I like it.
It's so good. Puro tubig ang gisulod sa tiyan. My goodness. Pero I'm not just the type of Americano person. Jud ko ganahan. Pero it's okay.
You're more like a latte or cappuccino?
Latte. Okay. So we have to leave by now. Anytime by now. Because it's already 1:30. And pero naka-check-in na me online. So We just have to drop our bags and get our bags at the lockers sa main Taipei station. So, yeah. Bye! Magkarakara na sad mi, guys. Time to leave. Bye, Taiwan. Thank you guys for watching.